Hello everyone, welcome to Top the most important function in Excel. This powerful tutorial can help you understand and look up the usage and syntax of Excel function. And today I'm going to share with you the next function in lookup and reference. This is the HLOOKUP. And HLOOKUP in Excel, in other words, horizontal lookup. And in order to know about the usage and syntax of this function, you can press from the computer keyboard HLOOKUP, and you can see the instruction here. And here is the usage. Looks for a value in the top rows of a table or arrays of values, and returns the value in the same column from a row you specify. And if you want to know about usage, you can type more two parentheses. You can see the lookup function have four arguments. The first is the lookup value. The second is a table array. The third rows index numbers, and the last argument is the optional argument range lookup. Yes, and you can see I already described more details about the each argument like this. And look back to the example here. You have to copy the values from amount rows of sort table to amount columns of the target tables like this. And in order to do that, you have to do step by step as below. The form from D28, you can type 8 lookup. Yes, 8 lookup function. And now you have to define the X argument of function. Lookup value, you can select the B28. The next argument table array, you can choose or select range from G27 to L28, and press F4 in the computer keyboard to fix the table arrays. And the next argument is row index numbers. You can find by count from top to down with the row lookup row in is number 1, and here you can find that the row is index numbers equal to, and press 2 here. Yes, and the last argument range lookup. Normally you can choose the forms to make the exact match type, or to more easy you can choose the zeros from the computer keyboard and you press enter. Yes, and you can select the formulas for the other values and choose the field without formatting. Yes, the next step, you have to check the results. You can see all the result exactly. Yes, very good. Okay, and when you work with it lookup, you have 3 notice as below. The first point here is the sort data tables have to organize, or lookup table is arranged by horizontally like this. The two point here is the lookup value in the target tables and the lookup value in the sort table have to the same, have to equal to, or in other words, same with the value and same with the format. And the third point here is the table array have to fix by press F4 or function F4 from the computer keyboard. And here now I hope that you already knows or understand and can use this function very fluently and very well. Yes, and now I would like to finish this video here, and thanks for your watching, and see you later. Thank you.